Yes, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Tinder and you can click here in this page. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tinder. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your